Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Introduction to MS PowerPoint 2010. Introduction. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation graphics software developed by Microsoft. It is an integral part of the Microsoft Office suite of applications. PowerPoint is used to create and display beautiful presentations that include text, pictures, charts, diagrams, audio, video, and animated special effects. Presentation. Presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that displays the information along with graphics, sounds, and animations. How is a PowerPoint presentation helpful? A PowerPoint presentation is widely used to effectively present views and ideas. People in the business world use it to present information about their company or products in seminars and meetings. Teachers use presentation to prepare their lesson plans and study materials. By using PowerPoint presentation, you can create a visual impact on the audience also. How to open or how to start Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. To start Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, first click on Start. Then choose All Programs. After that, click on MS Office. Then dialog box will open and so many options will be there, and from this select MS PowerPoint 2010, and after clicking MS PowerPoint 2010 the screen of MS PowerPoint 2010 will be open. Students, this is the screen of MS PowerPoint. You can see there are so many options. Now we will discuss about these options one by one. This is note pans. In this note pan, you can type your personal notes about the current slide. This is outline tab. It displays the slide text. Quick access toolbar. It contains the frequently used commands. You can place this toolbar either above or below the ribbon. Slide tab. It shows a thumbnail version of each slide. Title bar. It displays the name of the presentation which you are currently working on. File menu or file tab. It appears in the upper left corner of the window and contains options like new, open, save as, and print. Ribbon. The ribbon is placed at the top area of the document. It displays several tabs such as File, Home, Insert, Design, etc. So today up to this much. Thank you.